Hi everyone, Adam's here.
The driver assumed the road was clear. Lesson: never rely on assumptions. Always check twice before moving.
Yo.
A red Tacoma flies off a dirt mound. The lesson here is to know your rig's limits. Don't snap your axles just to get a clip.
There goes the frame.
Watch closely. The white pickup driver misjudged the space which led to his own. Lesson: always check your mirrors before merging.
Current loop video is now locked.
The driver followed him too fast, which almost led to a crash. The lesson is to slow down before every traffic lights.
Thanks for the chicken. He ran that red light just plain as day.
Sure did, didn't he?
A truck blows a tire on highway speed in Libya. Debris flies everywhere, but a narrow escape for everyone involved. As an analyst, the lesson is clear. Inspect your tires before every long haul. A blown tire at speed can turn into a deadly projectile. A truck hits a roadside shed, flipping it and scattering debris across the highway. Cost around $100,000, but everyone made it out. As an analyst, the lesson is clear. Keep your space. You need room to react when a lane suddenly fills with debris. This silver sedan Rams SUV reverses to hit front and flees. Cost around $35,000. One angry move caused total chaos. This is why you keep your cool. Stay sharp. A train smashes FedEx semi-truck in snowstorm. The crossing gates to stop vehicles failed due to human error. This damage cost around $200,000. No injuries, but highlighting the importance of never trusting a gate blindly.
Had a car that hit a moose. It was totaled and no good to drive on the road, so how else do you get rid of it?
Start menus.
Goodness.
The security car blocks SUV. Driver tries to force through, smashes the car. Cost around $15,000. Another Walmart folly. Reports claims it's a thief trying to leave the scene.
Get out of the car!
Oh my goodness.